Do you ever feel like you're a quirky boutique shop next to a mega mall? Yep, the hotel game can feel like that. But fear not. We've got some juicy insider tips to make you the coolest kid on the block. Greetings, hotel aficionados. You're tuning into the Hotel Helpcast podcast, where empty rooms meet their match and hospitality dreams turn to reality. Whether you're a boutique beginner or a resort superstar, this is your one-stop shop for insider tips. I'm your host, Jerry McPherson, and it's time to fluff those pillows and elevate your game. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on a ton of great info. All right, brace yourself. Authenticity is the name, storytelling is the game. Got a ghost in room 217? Or maybe your hotel was once a secret celebrity hideout, even if it was just a B-lister. Every hotel's got a story. Maybe yours is an old mansion with a love story, or a modern pad saving the planet. Share it. Let that emotional connection reel them in. More local than a hipster breakfast. Nobody booking a room in Paris is excited about eating at McDonald's. Give them the local vibe. Craft classes, artisan collabs, or even grandma's secret pie recipe. Make them feel less like tourists and more like locals. Stay with me and I'll share more ways to shine, right after a word from our sponsor. Hey there! Are you dreaming of opening those grand hotel doors? Or maybe elevating that cozy inn you already own? You're in the right place. Say hello to our game changer. Check into success, building and running your hotel business. Course. Picture this. Guests raving about your top-notch service. Staff beaming with pride, and that fully booked sign flashing every single night. Sound like a dream? We're here to make it your reality. Here's the scoop. 85 juicy lessons. Watch them, hear them, or read them. Your pick. And hey, don't forget those quizzes after each module to see how you're doing. Real talk from insider pros. We've got the latest trends and insights to keep you ahead. The perfect blend of know-how and flair. Learn the ropes and add that special touch only you can. Quick peek at what's inside? From brainstorming your hotel concept, navigating the financial maze, crafting a standout brand, all the way to ensuring your guests are treated like royalty. And there are some bonus goodies in there too. All right, enough with the suspense. Your dream hotel? Not just a vision, it's a journey, and it starts with check into success, building and running your hotel business course. So are you ready to turn that open sign on and make some magic? Let's get started. Enroll, and let's build that dream together. Be the genie. Anticipate wishes. So, Mr. Smith loves Earl Grey and sunrise yoga. Boom! Have that tea and the mat ready. It's those, oh my gee, how did you know moments that'll get you the 5-star reviews and Insta shoutouts. Got a website? Sweet! But is it mobile friendly, filled with drool-worthy pics, and SEO optimized to pop up before anyone else? If not, it's time for a makeover. And don't forget to slide into those DMs, social media style. Your future guests are there, chatting, tagging, and looking for their next getaway. Don't sell rooms. Sell experiences. Package. You're not just offering them a bed. It's a culinary journey, a nature retreat, or maybe a haunted night tour. Remember room 217? Feedback is your friend. No, seriously. Yeah, we know criticism can sting, but feedback? That's gold. Open up channels for your guests to spill the beans, praises, celebrate issues, address them. Let them know you're all ears. Always. Bottom line, independent hotels, you've got that special sauce. Serve it with style, authenticity, and a killer online vibe. And you'll have more guests turn to you first when planning to come back for more. If you like these tips, we've cooked up something spicy. Download our freebie, Unlocking Your Hospitality Property Success 25 Must Known Insights for Independent Hotel Owners. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. How does your hotel stand out? Let me know. In our next episode, I will talk about your property safety and security. That's it for today's episode of Hotelier Helpcast Podcast. Keep those lobbies lively and the feedback flowing, and always, always remember, it's the little touches that make the big waves in hospitality. Checking out for now. Until next time, stay inspired. The Hotelier Helpcast Podcast is part of the Keystone HPD Network.